Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again today, and I hope wherever you are, you're having a safe and healthy time. Keeping safe and healthy, that's what I meant. So I'm going to be doing a diamond painting, paint by numbers. I received this by VictoriasMoon. I will link all the details in the description box, so please have a look. This is what came with the kit. So you've got lovely colors, but in very tiny pots, and I was very unsure that these pots were going to be enough for the size of painting that I had. It comes with nice brushes as well, pretty neat little tips, uh, and a couple of numbers that were used a lot came in double paint pots. And the size of this painting was a 60 by 80 centimeter, and it is a very large, sorry, 80 by 60 centimeters, the other way around. Very large paint by numbers painting canvas. So I decided to take this up because of course I'm not doing anything. I'm on furlough at the moment, so I thought why not do something creative. And yeah, so do check it out. It's very simple, very easy, very therapeutic. No skills, just patience. That's all you need in this painting. And because it was a very large painting, I decided to do it in sections rather than filling out all the numbers that are similar. So finishing one color first and then doing the next, but that was going to be too large for my workstation, so I decided to do it section by section, and that way I didn't get bored of it. And I kind of did 1 hour or sometimes 2 a day, and it took me about 17 days to complete. And I must say I was really impressed with the whole idea of paint by numbers, because the paints are very pigmented, so you don't need any water. You just go straight on with the paint. I did try to dilute it with water because I thought they're not going to be enough, the pots, but if you dilute the paints, you kind of can see the number through it, and it's not very, it doesn't give it good coverage. So yeah, you don't need any water in this paint. So yeah, there you go. So it's very straightforward, as I said, but if you want to see where I got this particular paint by numbers from, please do check out my link in the description box, and you will even get a 10% discount if you use the code that's in the description box. So yeah, go check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and if you have any suggestions, comments, feedback, do leave it in the comment box below, and I will see you soon again. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye for now.